Hello, this is Trent Smith with the National Weather Service in Missoula doing the planning briefing for May 3rd. So let's quickly look at the matrix here. So Monday and into Tuesday, we'll actually have a ridge of high pressure building over the region. Potential of maybe an isolated thunderstorm across southwest Montana. Then on Wednesday, we'll actually have a pretty good system moving through the region. Looking at widespread wetting rain associated with this, or at least 1/10 of an inch, definitely more in some areas, with a few thunderstorms embedded, and then slowly building a ridge back over the area for the latter part of the work week. So just kind of quickly looking at satellite, here's that system that's moved through today on Sunday, bringing that widespread rain across the area, especially across northwest Montana. Again, we'll be relatively under a ridge of high pressure for the first 2 days of the week. Then we have this nice low out into the Pacific that will impact the region on Wednesday. So again, with that ridge of high pressure that's going to be building over the region, we're going to see relative humidities drop pretty dramatically into the teens, mid-20s for most valley locations, probably the mid-30s for most of the north central Idaho. Again, with the lower valleys, such as Reagan's getting down to 19, and Dillon 19, Butte 17. So definitely looking at a drying period during this time frame. But then on that Wednesday into Wednesday night, that low pressure system is going to be coming through, again, bringing a relatively wet feature with it. The mountains of north central Idaho up into northwest Montana could potentially see up to an inch, maybe even an inch and a half of rain during the 24-hour period. But most locations will encounter a wetting rain, with the exception of southwest Montana into Lemhi County. So here's just a few timing graphs that'll be buzzing through just to kind of give you an idea on when the heaviest precipitation. This one is in Polebridge. Again, this is looking at rainfall amounts, so the heaviest amount appears to be kind of that Wednesday evening time frame. And then down below is a relative humidity tracer graph that we were forecasting, and it kind of shows you when the humidities will be up during the nighttime and how low we can anticipate during the afternoon time frame. And here's BCBaldy. So at any point that you want to look at these in more detail, you can stop the video. So another aspect is this system is going to bring in some cooler air with it. Snow levels are going to be dropping to about 5,000 feet. The mountain passes are the only areas of concern for snow accumulation, and especially along the Continental Divide. Marias Pass is expected to get maybe a half an inch of snow by Thursday morning. Probably the bigger winner is going to probably be McDonald Pass. We're looking up to an inch there. So again, this is going to be a high elevation. Believe it's going to be a bigger impact to the grassy areas and not so much the roads. So looking out 6 to 10 days, we're anticipating that ridge kind of lingering for a while, so below normal for precipitation, with an increased chance of above normal temperatures for that 6 to 10 day outlook. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at the number on the screen, or visit our website, or you can even follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and on YouTube. Thank you very much.